Good morning, people. Today we're going to do some boat upgrades. First thing is going to be the John boat. The John boat, it's got the side bunks that are carpeted, but they're really worn out. They need to be replaced. And I got this other type of covering system that it's just vinyl over the wood, over the pressure treated 2x4s. Let's go do that. And then also we're going to have to move the brackets around to accommodate for it, because I'm actually going to cut these bunk boards longer than what's on there now. So let's go walk over to the boat and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so here's the side bunks I'm talking about. Let me back up and see what I'm talking. You can get a bigger picture of everything. So these help guide the boat onto the trailer. So as you can tell, see, it's all worn out, and some of the bolts are kind of coming through. So it needs to be replaced. And plus this is really short. Like, I mean, this thing is only about 16 inches. I plan to extend this all the way to the edge of the boat here in the back, and probably come out to here, which is going to end up being about 4 feet. I think it's going to be close to 4 feet by the time I'm done, said and done. The wrap I'm gonna use on the 2x4s is this right here by Caliber bunk wrap. See, it's a vinyl, very hard vinyl material here. Let's get to work. First thing we got to do is go ahead and remove these bunks. So let's get to work. All right. Unscrew or unbolt this. See, this guy's all jimmy jacked. Using miscellaneous hardware. Someone just did a quick fix on that. That looks probably like a 1/2 inch. Let me get something for that. All right, this is the 9/16 I'm using on here. Oh, that was easy. So that's all it was for that. It's a little guy. He's just a little guy. Anyway, see, this lag screw's still good. I could use that. Looks like a stainless one. Another thing I need to do while I got this off here is bend this bracket back. I don't know if you can see it, but this one, yeah, you can see it. This one is further this way. So I'm just gonna bend this so it's straight. And so I need to come, let's see if we can bend this. Wait, baby! I need something to grab onto. Yep. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, that looks good. That looks real good now. Close enough. Yeah, that did the trick right there. It's about what we need right there. It's close to being lined up now. Before it was all jacked up. All kinds of jacked up. Anyway, now that we made a quick modification, I almost tore my whole pectoral muscle on one side. So now I did all that damage. Let's go cut the wood to length and then go wrap it. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Oh, let's go bring this. Go bring this with us real quick. All right. Okay. Here we go. Now, I'm gonna measure the new length of the side bunk. Double check. You know, measure twice, cut 3 times, that type of thing. Yeah, let's do it. Let's go ahead and measure this. So I want it to the edge of the boat. Oops. I want it to the edge of the boat here. Until the, it's about this high. I don't want it too much in the way of this fender here. So I'm gonna go 36 inches on it. Well, no. I'm going to go 40. I'm gonna go 40 inches on it. All right. Not quite 4 feet. Close enough. That's gonna look better and perform better when trying to get this boat on the trailer. Like I said, when there's higher winds, when it's blowing your boat across, like all cattywampus, stuff like that. You got high current going underneath the boat dock or at the boat ramp, anything like that, it's gonna get your boat twisted. It's gonna help guide it. The longer those side bunks are, it's gonna help guide it on there. So let's go and cut our wood. All right, let's grab our piece of wood here. I got it staged right here. Staged. That means it's been sitting here all week, waiting for this project to start this weekend. Is there a straighter side to it? This board's actually really straight. Looks really good. Which is surprising because I got this off my old pontoon boat trailer. But man, that is very straight. I'm liking it. So anyway, so it's not gonna really matter which end to cut off more as far as any bad spots. All right. All right. I'm gonna try this left-handed. Let's go ahead and mark another 40. Do our 2 cuts. Mark another 40 inches of some high quality pressure treated 2x4. America's finest. All right. That's done, that's done. Let's do it again. All right, now we got that going on. We got our pieces of wood, and let's go ahead and open up this box. Yeah, this is the caliber. It's a 16-foot roll, 2x4 wrap. They make it for 2x6 also. So make sure you order the right one. It has the end caps to go with it. It's enough to do 2, so it comes with 4 end caps. So let's go bust that open. That's what it looks like with the end caps. These straps, you basically use these straps to hold everything together as you screw everything down. That's all that is. All right, here's the screws. They're all the same size, nothing fancy. A wonderful, beautiful sticker here. Go ahead and measure out the bunk material, cut it, put the end caps on, wrap it, put the screws in, and then go install it on the boat trailer. Go install it on the boat trailer after that, okay? It's hot out here. I'm about to lose it. I'm about to lose it. Anyway, let's do this. Hard on the knees. On concrete floor. And this thing wants to bend. It wants to bend like it's got a bad attitude. You know? Do you know? Ow, that hurts. All right. Yeah, that hurt. I think that was a staple coming through into my kneecap. So that was awesome. We're gonna try to keep all fingers. It's starting to separate. And then it just gets easier. And it starts to separate on its own. Okay, let's put our end caps on. These things are a little tight when you get them on. Get on there. Okay. Good. So it wants to fight. Definitely wants to fight. Ooh. Yeah, it wants to fight. Big time. It's short like this. Screw the end caps in place. What in the world? Tell you what, working on your hands and knees sucks. That's a medical fact, I believe. Okay. If it's easy to slide down, you probably don't have the strap tight enough, and it's not going to be nice and tight. See how much I'm on the struggle bus to move this thing down. It should be like that. That's a little tech tip. 'Cause I've done one already. On the pontoon boat. So. Not my first rodeo, just my third rodeo. You know what I'm saying? Alright, undo that strap there. There we have it. Alright, we're back on the side of the boat. Let's get this piece of trash out of here. Alright, we're going to loosen up these bolts here. Slide this to the left, slide that to the right. We have to get around some of this garbage here. We'll see. Let's loosen it up first. this. Get that off of there. Now we should be able to move this down. Let me loosen that. Just the hair, so we're not fighting it. There we go. There you go. Now, that looks good. All right, that is on. Now, next, we're gonna take our stainless lag screws. It's good, it's all 9/16. Beautiful. Nice. That is actually level. Let me load up this lag screw in here. Get the one in. Get it started. Down. All right, before that's tight, get the other one started. Leveled and started. Oh, that still looks good. Yeah. So, you see, it's a lot longer. Big difference. It's level, it's lined up. That's gonna help a lot. Okay, now let's go to the other side and do the same thing. So, let me see here. See the difference in the length? Pretty significant. All right, let's go and replace this one now. Let's go ahead and replace this one. Bam, it's on. Sweet. All right. All right, so that's done. That took about an hour and a half to do, to take them off and put them back on. I saved you all the boring stuff on this side. I did the same thing as the other side, just rinse and repeat type of deal. All right, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Got both of the sides put on. That should improve getting the boat on the trailer. So that should help out. It looks much better. Got a new used piece of wood. Got the new covering on it, and it should be good for many years. Thanks for stopping by and watching, and if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to see more videos about stuff. So anyway, have a good one. Bye.